There is a strength in Central Appalachia that the rest of the country is missing out on. They're missing out on a work ethic and a creativity that you can really build an economy off of. Growing up in West Virginia, coal just dominates everything. Whether you think coal is a good thing or a bad thing, it's not wise to have all your eggs in one basket. We're showing how to diversify by incubating new businesses, but then we're hiring unemployed people to staff those businesses. You can't change a person, but people do change. It's an internal process. What we're trying to do is create the conditions for that interchange to be possible.
After I got out of high school, I went to the Marine Corps, and when I got out of the Marine Corps, I was scared because I knew the job industry was bad, and I was thinking to myself, how in the world am I going to even make it? But Coalfield, they give you the skills, they give you the education and the knowledge to be successful. Here at Service Pump, I've been here for 1.5 years. I'm a lead mechanic and just became supervisor about 3 months ago.
We see that shift, crew member by crew member, enterprise by enterprise, a transformation from cynicism and apathy to creative entrepreneurship.
When you have a down community and there's people having hard times, you want to go in there and rebuild that area because that once was something good and it can be good again.
When we see that shift in a person, when their family experiences that with them, that's when this generational cycle of poverty, you start to see it reverse. One person at a time, I think that sort of tangible progress is what can create hope for our region.